Determine the capacitance of a system consisting of a metal ball of radius A and an infinite conducting plane separated from the center of ball by distance L if L is very greater than A. This is your metal ball and it is infinite conducting plane, and the length between this plane and metal ball is L. This is the length between metal ball and conducting plane. Here we use mirror image method to solve this problem. In this method, we can replace conducting plane sheet, this plane sheet, by taking an oppositely charged sphere as a mirror image formed at other side of the conducting plane. Suppose this is your mirror image of this charge sphere and this is the position of mirror. So the length of mirror image from this mirror will be L, and so the separation between ball and its mirror image will be equal to 2L. Now the potential of this ball will be given by, as charge on this ball is Q and A is the radius, so its potential is given by Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. Similarly, the potential of this ball or mirror image is given by minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. Therefore, potential difference between the ball and its mirror image is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. It will be equal to Q upon 2 pi epsilon naught A. Here it should be noted that the potential difference between this metal sheet and charged ball is half that of the potential difference between metal ball and its mirror image. That is, V required is half of Q upon 2 pi epsilon naught A. So V required will be equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. That is, V required is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. Therefore, capacitance of the system will be C is equal to Q upon V required. It will be equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. That is, C will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught A for L is very greater than A.